morning, brothers and sisters in entire Africa. So happy for how SADC decided to fight the rebels in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It is a good news. You heard on 3 May 2024 how soldiers from Rwanda and the rebels of the AFC and M23 bombed the camp of displaced people at Mugunga, 20 kilometers out of the town of Goma. Many people lost their lives, children and women, and other ones are in critical conditions in different hospitals. So dear brothers and sisters, we are together in this challenge as a Congolese, as other Africans, and we continue to appreciate the courage of South African soldiers, Burundians, Tanzanians, Malawians, all together mixing with the FARDC, the Democratic Republic of the Congo Defense. We say thank you for how they come to this decision, and there was Alendo to clean all the places captured by the rebels. We say thank you for that, because there have been many arguments about going to negotiations, changing this and that, but we are happy because they come to the decision of fighting to liberate the place taken by the rebels. Dear brothers of South Africa, of Tanzania, of Burundi and Malawi, who are completely dedicated to support Congolese physically and spiritually, we continue to say thank you. I'm one of the Congolese leaders, a prince of the Democratic Republic of Congo, the great-grandson of the late King Musaba Kamango Munanila, who fought with the Belgian troops at Uvila, and he was died in that troop. So remember, Westerners are the problem of Africa. They killed our ancestors, and they're still fighting again with us, and they're still collecting again our resources in different ways. Those are the problems. Those are the ones that put so much complication in Africa, confusing African president with this and that, in a way of them to not uniting. You see what Kagame now is doing with Museveni here, coming to the president of DRC, you know, curling each other instead of coming together and develop the region. Now there is a fight because of the mineral resources. And the beneficiary of all these ones, people that are benefiting a lot, are Westerners. We as Africans continue to be poor, them continue to be rich by provoking these wars here among us, by creating conflict among us Africans in their benefit. So let's continue to watch out, and let's continue to be strong, and let's continue to stand together. Thank you so very much. My love.